Okay, dear students, today we discuss about the GATE EEE paper 2005. Yes, 2005. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I am Gopi. I will discuss now the question from GATE 2005. See the first question. This is the first question. You can do this within half minute or without putting a pen on the paper. You can do. See this, these two are, look at this. What is the value of R? What are the parameters he had given? You must observe first. He had given that 8 amperes flowing in the resistance R, and these two are in parallel. What is this? 5 ohms. 5 ohms combinedly and in series with the R. The current flow in this is 8. So total resistance is R plus 5 is the total resistance, and the voltage given is 100 volts is equal to resistance into current. How much? 8. So 100 is equal to 8R minus 40. R is 100 minus 40 by 8. So this gives 7.5 ohm. Come to the next question. RMS value of the voltage U of t equal to 3 plus 4 cos 3t. These are the options. This diagram is not belongs to this question. This is belong to this question. Now, if you want this, if you want to prepare such this type of questions, you must acquire some knowledge on it. See, he asked RMS value. Normally, you'll study about the expression I equal to a sin theta. What is RMS, or what is average? What is form factor? Or I equal to a cos theta, or I equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta. And in this also there are two variations. If theta is in between 0, theta is in between 2 pi. Here also theta is in between 2 pi. And for this same expression, a equal to sin theta, when theta is in between 0 and pi, equal to 0 when theta is in between 2 pi. For this also same. This is called half wave. See, what is half, what is full? This is full wave. This belongs to this one. You can substitute the values of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, so on. After getting the value of I, connect all the points for that particular I. Then you get this type of smooth curve, sin theta. Yes, sin theta. Yes. Same time, what is this graph? For this, 0 to pi is there, and this is pi, this is 2 pi again. So from here to here is one cycle, and same thing will be repeated another cycle. And one more expression is I equal to a plus b sin theta, I equal to a plus b cos theta. So this type of expressions, for this type of expression you must find the RMS value. If you practice like this, not only GATE, you can crack any examination. Okay, now we go for the value of, now we try to find the value of I equal to a sin theta. Let I is, see, this is I current. Don't fear that this is not belongs to the mathematics. This is purely mathematics, where you have studied in math intermediate or polytechnic mathematics. What is RMS? Root mean square. I equal to IRMS equal to square root mean. If this is theta is in between 2 pi, 2 pi minus 0, integral 0 to 2 pi, sum of the value means integration, square root mean square I square d theta. So that is 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi. What is I? A sin theta whole square d theta. This becomes a square by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi sin square theta d theta. So square root a square by 2 pi. If you want to integrate this, 0 to 2 pi 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. So if you integrate, then you will get a square by 2 pi 4 pi. I took this out, take this out, and for 1 integration is with respect to d theta, then theta minus sin 2 theta by 2, 0 to 2 pi. So if you substitute on this value, a square by 4 pi 2 pi minus sin of 4 pi 0 minus 0. This is under root. So both will cancel each other. So a by root 2. This is the RMS value of the given function. Okay, like that you can find I equal to a cos theta. Now if I equal to a plus b sin theta, what is the RMS value? Same, IRMS is equal to square root 1 by 2 pi minus 0 integral 0 to 2 pi a plus b sin theta whole square d theta, square root 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi. This is a square plus 2ab sin theta plus b square sin square theta d theta. Now this is 1 by 2 pi 0 to 2 pi, a square is a square theta, integrating 2ab cos theta Sin theta differentiation cos theta is minus sin theta. So integration of sin theta becomes minus cos theta. So this is b square 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. This becomes square root 1 by 2 pi a square theta minus 2ab cos theta. This is b square by 2 theta minus sin 2 theta by 2, 0 to 2 pi. Now integral 1 by 2 pi a square 2 pi, I am substituting this value, minus cos 2 pi becomes 0. Oh no, cos 2 pi plus 2ab minus 1 or cos 2 pi, sorry, cos 2 pi 1 minus 2ab plus b square by 2 into 2 pi minus sine of 4 pi 0. I substitute 2 pi, next I will substitute 0. So this becomes 0, this becomes plus 2ab. This becomes 0, this becomes 0. Now both will cancel each other. 2 pi, take the common, therefore cancel a square plus b square by 2. This is square root, that's it, a square plus b square by 2. So from the given equation, what is the RMS value? Whether it is cos or sine, you will get the same, a square plus b square by 2 under root. So square root a square means 3 square plus b square by 2, that is 9 plus 8 square root 17. This is the correct value. Okay, this way your preparation must be in deep. Even that question comes in other direction, you must answer it. Now coming to this point, coming to this question, for the two-port network, the Z matrix is given by. What is Z matrix? There are 4 representations present. Basically, Z matrix, Y matrix, ABCD, or transmission parameters, hybrid parameters. There are basically 4 ways of representing a transmission line, or any, not only transmission line, any electrical circuit. Here he had given that he asked a Z matrix for this figure. This is Z1, this is Z2, this is V1, this is I1, Z1, Z2, Z1, Z2. This is I2, This is V2. See, according to the Z matrix, Z parameters, V1 equal to I1 Z1 plus I2 Z12. V2 equal to, in the form of I1 Z21 plus I2 Z2. This is the way of representing the Z matrix. This can be written as V1 V2 Z1 Z12 Z21 Z2 I1 I2. This is the Z matrix. So coming to this, write the equations of V1 and V2 in terms of I1 and I2. Now here, what is V1? V1 is the current I1 and I2 are flowing into the Z1. So therefore, V1 equal to Z1 into I1 plus I2. That is Z1 I1 plus Z1 I2. Now what is V2? Write KVL. This is, I wrote KVL here. Here also I am writing KVL. Now V2 is Z2 I2 plus Z1 I1 plus I2. See the current in this I1 plus I2. This is second loop. This is one loop. Now Z1 I1 plus Z1 plus Z2 I2. No, V2 is, sorry, this is I2. So now V1, V2, from these two equations, Z1, this is Z2, Z1, 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 Z1 plus Z2. Look at the options. Which one is correct? Z1, Z1, Z1. Yes, Z1 plus Z2. Z1, 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 Z1 plus D2 is the, D is the answer for the given two-port network. Now coming to the fourth question. The initial capacitor voltage is 0. Initially the voltage across this capacitor is 0. The switch is closed at t equal to 0. Switch closed. Final steady state voltage across the capacitor. What is the voltage across this capacitor? See, if you keep the switch for long time, t equal to 0, t equal to infinity, then the capacitor will fully charged. For what voltage the capacitor will be charged? The parallel equivalent voltage. What is the parallel circuit here? This is the parallel circuit. Once this capacitor charged, the current flow through this is 0, because this is fully charged, means this will tries to gives the current in this direction, but due to this source the current will be trying to come this way. So both will cancel each other. So the voltage, the current flowing through this is 0 for t equal to infinity. So total current will be flowing like this. That means what? This is like open circuit. But the voltage across this is the voltage drop across this one. So what is the voltage drop across this? Once this was opened, these two are in series. So what is the current flow? 2 amperes. So what is the current? What is the voltage drop across this one is? This is 2 amperes. Therefore, VC is 2 into 10, 20 volts. No. 1 ampere is flows, because these two are in series. Becomes 20 ohms. Voltage is 20 volts. This becomes 1 ampere. So what is the voltage across this? 1 into 10, 10 volts. So the capacitor voltage across the capacitor is 10 volts. This way. So practice more on transients. I'll take separate class on this, and separately for magnetic coupled circuits. Now coming to this, E is the electric field intensity del cross del dot del cross E. Del dot del cross E becomes 0. I'll explain you separately in field theory about all these characters. Now coming to the sixth, this comes to the maybe control system but are circuits. You can calculate easily because this system output is 0 at what frequency? System output is 0 at what frequency means what is this TS? Transfer function. What is transfer function? Output quantity by input quantity. So output quantity, if output quantity is 0, then input is there. So this quantity must be 0 at what frequency? Substitute S is equal to j omega, where S is the angular frequency. Okay, then you can find. Later we discuss on this in deep in the circuits itself, or that also comes in control systems. Okay, this is the GATE 2005 paper. First I concentrated on completely circuits, later DC machines, AC machines, electronics, power electronics, and digital electronics. I'll try to cover all the subjects, don't worry. The subject also will helps you in every competitive examinations, especially in electrical engineering subject. Thank you.